Hey there, welcome to Easy Web Solution. If you ever wonder how to grab your website name, that's your domain name, and a space to put your site, that's hosting, you are in the right place. For those who still have no idea what a domain name is simply your website's unique address on the internet. It's like your digital identity. With a memorable and relevant domain name, people can easily find and remember your website. So in today's video, we are going to make it easy for you with step-by-step guidance. Stick around and let's get into it. And hey, if you find this helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's jump right in. Simply click the link provided in the video description and you will be taken directly to the Namecheap website. Proceed to the following stage by selecting the Register a Domain Name on Startbus. In this section, you can input the desired domain name for your registration. And when you are finished, click the search button. If the domain name you are interested in has already been registered and is currently active, you won't be able to proceed with its registration. In this case, you will need to either input a different domain name or modify the one you initially entered. After you have selected your distinct domain name, simply click on the Add to Cart button. Now, let's find an attached hosting to our domain name. Click on the web hosting option and then add it to cart. Additionally, you will need to include SSL. SSL stands for Secure Socket Layer. It's a technology that provides a secure and encrypted connection between a user web browser and a website server. When a website has SSL implemented, it's often indicated by the HTTPS prefix in the URL and a padlock icon in the browser address bar. If your website involves online transaction or e-commerce, not having SSL can discourage users from making purchases due to concern about the security of their payment information. So let's go ahead and add SSL to our domain by clicking on this button. Once you are finished, click the Checkout button. Here you can select the number of years for your domain. For your domain hosting SSL, remember you can always renew once it expires. Once done, proceed by clicking the Confirm Order button. In this section, you need to find Create an account. Pick a username and password. Confirm the password. Input your first name, last name, and your email address. Tick the box for yes, sign me up for Namecheap newsletter and marketing communication. After that, click on the Create Account and Continue button. Complete the contact information by providing your first name, last name, company name, job title, address line, city, state/province, zip/postal code, country, and phone number. The first number is optional and can be left blank. Once you are finished, click on the Continue button. Now take a moment to review the contact information you have provided, and once take the Save the configuration above to my default checkout settings and press Continue. In this stage, you will need to provide your payment information. You have the option to use either your card or paper for payment. If you choose to use your card, enter the card details, including the card billing address. If your card billing address is different from your default account contact, you can add a new address by selecting the drop-down option and entering the necessary details. Once you have filled in all the required information for your card billing address, click on Continue button to proceed. Okay, this final stage, you have to review your details and tick I've read and agreed to all Namecheap terms and service and agreements. Once done, click on Pay Now. Now you can see that payment has been successfully approved. The next step is to go back to your dashboard where you can access and view your registered domain name. To do this, simply hover your mouse over the provided drop-down menu and then click on the dashboard option. You are now able to view your domain name that has been successfully registered. This marks the end of our session for today. Remember to click the subscribe button to stay updated and connected. Until we meet again, take care and goodbye.